Aditya Das is a well-known mobile phone businessman in Agartala city. Originally from Kamalpur, he currently resides in the Gangal Road area. He owns two mobile phone shops located near Siddhi Ashram in front of the Lakshmi Narayan Bari. Apart from his business, Aditya is also known as a content creator on social media. About 6 months ago, he reportedly developed a romantic relationship with a tribal woman from Dhalai district through Facebook. Their relationship grew closer over time. According to allegations, Aditya had promised to give the women an iPhone on May 16 but failed to do so. Despite this, the couple spent a night together at a hotel near Badharghat railway station. However, the promised iPhone was never given. The relationship subsequently deteriorated and the woman accused Aditya of physical abuse and rape based on her complaint. Police from West Women Police Station with assistance from Amtali Police Station arrested him and produced him before the court. He is presently in judicial custody in connection with that case. Meanwhile, Aditya appears to be facing another serious allegation. Acting on a tip-off, police conducted a search at his mobile phone shop in the Siddhyashram area. They had received information that, besides running his mobile businesses, he was allegedly involved in illegal drug trafficking. However, no incriminating items were found during the search. Police then raided his second shop located at Lakshmi Narayan Bari Road in the capital city. During the search, Yaba tablets and intoxicating cough syrup were allegedly recovered from the premises. Following demands from local youths, East Agartala police reportedly broke open the shop's lock late Wednesday night and recovered the suspected narcotic substances.
সিদ্ধাশ্রমের যে যারাই ছিল ওদের সহযোগিতা এখানে আমরা ছানবিন করেছিলাম কিন্তু কিছুই আমরা পাইনি। আমাদের তো সন্দেহ যায়নি যে আমরা তো খবর যেটা পেয়েছিলাম এটা সঠিক খবরই থাকার কথা। তারপর যে একজন ছিল ওইখানের ওর পকেটে আমরা চেক করে আরেকটা চাবি পেয়েছিলাম, তো যার ও কোনো খবর দিচ্ছিল না যে কোন কিসের চাবি সেটা। অনেক আমরা কথা বলার পরে জানতে পারলাম এখানে লক্ষ্মীনারায়ণ আগরতলা রাজবাড়ি স্থিত লক্ষ্মীনারায়ণ বাড়ির সামনে ওদের আরেকটা দোকান এখানে বর্তমান। এইখানে ওকে নিয়ে আসার পর আমরা অনেক কিছু পেলাম। এখানে প্রশাসন এসেছে, প্রশাসনের সহযোগিতা এখন ওরা অনেকগুলি জিনিস অবৈধ জিনিস সেখানে রেস্কিউ করেছে। তো
At the time of his arrest, the accused allegedly attempted to intimidate police by flaunting his influence and connections. The incident involving Aditya Das, who is married and a father, has created widespread sensation and concern across the locality. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.